What is up, guys? Welcome back to day 32 of my day trading journey to profitability. To prove that it's possible, as you can see right here, I failed. Well, not really. I took a trade today, and actually, I was charting. I switched to the chart on the full mini, not the micro, just because the chart's cleaner and actually like a certified chart. And I accidentally placed a trade for two full positions um, of NQ, which is quite a lot. I was immediately, like a second after I placed the trade, I was down, I don't know, a couple grand at least. And it took it was below the daily loss limit and the daily limit, or the total limit, max loss limit. Um, so I ended up failing this challenge, even though the trade was a great setup. Um, and it should have played out of my part. I did take the trade on US, or not US 3, on my CFD account. But let me just talk about it on here. So, as usual, mark out these 4 hour highs, hourly highs. Didn't really have too much on the 4 hour. 4 hour, we were actually bullish, so I was bullish for the day. Yes, similar situation. Hopping in the 1 minute. You can see here, go even further down. Price action was pretty decent today till till I entered, and then it started chopping up. So you can see here, when this candle market opens, we get a big candle down, and end up sweeping. I don't have that marked out, but we sweep this low. We sweep that low, get a 5 minute retrace like we want to see. After the 5 minute retracement, in the 1 minute. So 1 minute at 9:45. Let's see, pretty choppy on the 1 minute, honestly. Um, see, we get this 5 minute retrace 9:45 right here. Looking for a 1 minute fair value gap. Um, we get this one. We get pushed into here. We do get the one before this. We get this one. That one gets broken through. I thought there was another one. I'm wrong, but I thought there was another one I was looking at. Oh, this one is a tiny one, and we kind of get some closes below, and then we get this close, and we get that leg down. Then we form this one. Um, see good reactions out of it, and then we don't get a break of structure, honestly, till because we form a new high here, a new high here, another high here. Don't get a break structure till this off this high, and we enter there. You can see price actually consolidated around, wasn't drawdown. Stops would have been under here. My take profit was this hourly. See if I can see it on the 15 minute. This hourly 15 minute high thing, and you can see price never gets up to there. That was a 1 to 2. I would have taken profits at a 1 to 1 as well, or like a, yeah, probably a 1 to 1. Um, but you can see price pushes up into this imbalance here, gets reactions out of it and pushes lower. But it was a setup I like to see, right according to my strategy. So not really too upset about it. I mean, I'm upset I traded the wrong thing and failed the account. Um, but I did get stopped out on this trade. This would have hit. Um, see how the chart's a little different. Um, you can see I entered here. We do have that fair value gap. Then we get a break of structure here. Actually entered here. Um, oop, up here. Um, and then I would have put my stop loss down here. See, that would have been a 1-to-1. That's what I had uh, for my take profits. It would have been hit, but my stop loss wasn't in the right place. So that was my fault. I had it right here. Barely gets wicked down. I don't know why I didn't have it below that first fair value gap. I couldn't find a fair value gap, and I was trying to figure out what was going on with my account here. Um, so I should have actually won today, um, but I missed out on that. So that's unfortunate. I didn't realize that wasn't below um, that first candle in that fair value gap. That would have hit. That would have been nice to see. But oh well. We know it works. So there's that, I guess. It was a good trade. Um, just wish I noticed that. I just realized that. So that's unfortunate. But yeah, ES pretty similar, I think. Um, you see, I mean, choppy during the macro. Right here, it's low. I swept. Get a retracement here. Not till 10 o'clock. So a little later, but still pretty early. 10 o'clock. We get this order block here. We were getting reactions off of, but I already entered. What time did I enter? 9:48 or so. No, I'm sorry. Uh, that might have been 10:16 actually. So, um, oh, you know what? We didn't get a break of structure. We got a break of structure right at 10:16. And price continues to chop. If I entered on that, it would have been long. Right here, stops below this order block, and then probably those highs. Um, 15-minute highs. That would have been that would have been the best trade to take, honestly. But I already entered right then and there on NQ. NQ was cleaner at first. It swept that area first. So I was going to take the trade on that. And we had well, we never formed it, I guess, but we had an S&P forming. But yeah, kind of unfortunate. Kind of mad I didn't see that. That fair value gap wasn't below. Um, but it is what it is. I guess it was right. It was probably right there. Stop loss price 21. Well, 203. Stop loss was way up here. Yeah, so I don't know what I was doing. Um, I'm just picking a random area. I got to focus in on that. It's mainly probably because I was trading on here. I'm used to trading on here. Haven't traded on here in a while, but I need to make sure that. So yeah, is what it is. We'll get it back. Good setup. Perfect trade. I mean, even though we didn't win, it was a great trade. You just got to remember that. Even though I lost, it was a fantastic trade. But yeah, day is it? Day 32. Day trading journey to profitability. Thanks for watching.